Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean up and reset your network adapter on your Windows 10 device. So hopefully this should be a fairly quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So while we're all familiar with the command prompt methods of running different commands, this tutorial will be going over a recently released feature that Microsoft has included in a newer build of the Windows 10 operating system. And basically now we have the ability to reset all of our network adapters much quicker than before. So without further ado, let's jump right into this. And we're going to start by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in settings. Best match settings right above trusted Microsoft Store app. You want to left click to open that up. And now at this point you want to find the network and internet tile that says Wi-Fi airplane mode VPN right underneath. Left click to open that up. Make sure you're underneath the status area on the left, which should be the first tab in the default view that you are placed on when you go onto this screen. And now on the right, you want to scroll down until you get to Network Reset, this hyperlink. Left click on that. And then where it says Network Reset, this will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Left click on this Reset Now button. It's going to prompt you, are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Left click on Yes. And now this will take a moment, and then once you have a screen that says that your computer will reset or you are about to be signed out, you can click on the Close button here. I'd recommend closing out of any open programs or applications you have still on your computer, and then proceed to restart your device, and hopefully your problem has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.